Imagine if the Renaissance had a hero no one expected, a tiny, colorful bird. In the bustling port city of Genoa, merchants and travelers brought exotic creatures from distant lands. Among them was Il Peppino, a curious parrot renowned for mimicking the sounds it heard. But Il Peppino did more than entertain. It accidentally documented the era's bustling cultural exchanges as sailors spoke of foreign spices, novel inventions, and whispered secrets. The parrot repeated these snippets while perched in the marketplace, inadvertently spreading knowledge. Traders would gather, piecing together these bits of information, fueling innovation and curiosity. In this whimsical twist, Il Peppino became an unwitting catalyst for communication, symbolizing how ideas traveled beyond boundaries. A lesson emerges from this feathered historian. Sometimes, breakthroughs arise from the most unexpected messengers, reflecting the Renaissance's ethos that enlightenment can take flight in the unlikeliest ways. While the parrot did not paint or sculpt, its voice reminds us of the universal nature of knowledge, connecting diverse cultures in the Renaissance's grand tapestry.